Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you are going to make money with derivatives trading on Bybit crypto exchange. So I'm recording this video because a lot of you have been asking me how exactly I make these trades, and I always make passive income and stuff like that. As you can see here on our Telegram group, this is the main channel, Heavy Crypto, and the link is going to be in the description below as well. So this is where I post my trades and stuff like that. So if you're already in the group, you already know that I've been making a lot of money with derivatives trading and stuff like that. And this is the reason why I'm also recording this video, so that I can show you guys how exactly I find better entries and take profits and stuff like that. So if you're new to this channel, hey, my name is Arthur, and on this channel we talk about how exactly we can make money with crypto trading and stuff like that, and everything related to cryptocurrency. So make sure to subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, as it motivates me to create more content when it comes to crypto trading and stuff like that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly I make passive income and make a lot of money with derivatives trading and stuff like that. And these are all my trades. You can go to my main channel and see and how exactly I give these signals and stuff like that. So basically, I usually trade on Bybit crypto exchange, and if you don't have an account to Bybit, the link is going to be in the description below as well. And I'm going to take you step by step, showing you how exactly I find better entries and how exactly I get all these signals. And I'm going to show you my tools that I use and everything that you need to know, so that you can also do the same, and you're going to be a successful trader by the end of this video. So this is exactly blueprint step by step on how exactly you're going to do the same and stuff like that. So once you create an account on Bybit, obviously you're going to have to go to where it's written derivatives trading, this button right here. So once you go there, you're gonna have to click to where it's situated USDT perpetual, and right here is gonna allow you to select any pair that you want. So let's say if you want to trade Bitcoin against USDT, you can click right there, and you can also choose all other pairs that you prefer to trade right here. So basically, I always give this kind of signals and stuff like that on the private group, and the link to private group is going to be in the description below as well. But a popular one right here is Bitcoin, and this is my favorite one because I usually make a lot of money with Bitcoin Pay. So you're going to click it like that, and it's going to take you to a derivatives trading dashboard. So this is a derivative dashboard, and it's pretty much easy and stuff like that. It's not really complicated. Right here, this is the trading view chart provided by TradingView, and you can also change this to standard chart. So this is the original chart from Bybit, you know what I mean? So basically, this is just a price showing you the current price of Bitcoin pair, because this is a Bitcoin pair right here. You can also choose to any pair that you want. So this is the current price, and you can see that Bitcoin is being traded at the price of 57,700. And right here, this is where exactly we enter position and stuff like that. So this is the most important section that you have to focus on, and we're going to go through it in depth, and we're going to discuss how exactly you're going to take profit and take trades and stuff like that. Once you deposit some cash to your account, the money is going to be on the spot trading. So we're going to have to transfer, and to do that, all you have to do is to click this button where you can transfer, and it's going to allow us to transfer money or some USDT from spot wallet to derivatives wallet. You know what I mean? So right now you can see that on my spot wallet, I've got at least 50 USD, and I'm going to transfer this 50 USD to derivatives wallet so that I can be able to trade it. You know what I mean? So with spot trading, you're simply buying low and selling high, and that's how you make profit. And I recorded a whole video showing you how exactly you can make money with spot trading and stuff like that. And I'll also leave a link in the description below, or you can check it out, the whole tutorial on how to make money with spot trading on Bybit. But with derivatives trading, this is the whole tutorial on how exactly you are going to make money with derivatives trading. So once you do that, you're going to have to put the amount that you are willing to transfer. So in this case, I want to transfer 50 USD, all of it. I'm just going to click all and click confirm. So it's going to be available on my derivatives account, you know what I mean? So basically, what you can see that we have got trade and tools, but other tools you don't really need all this stuff. Right now we are focusing on trade, and this is a section where it's going to allow us to open trades and close positions, including take profits and putting stop loss and stuff like that. Right here we have got isolated and cross. With isolated, is going to allow us to put the amount that we're willing to trade with, but with cross, it's going to allow us to trade with our whole account, meaning that we're not going to put the specified amount that we're willing to trade. So I always suggest that you should always put on isolated and put the amount that you are willing to trade with only, you know what I mean? So that's why it's already on isolated. So right here, of course, you have got leverage. So with leverage, it's going to allow us to borrow some money. So right now you can see that is at 62x, and this is very risky because the more you leverage, the more your liquidation price gets close and close to your entry price. So we're going to also discuss that and how exactly we can avoid that, you know what I mean? But I always suggest that you should always leave at 10x, at least 10x, and this should be your maximum leverage. You don't have to over leverage. So let's say if I've got like 50 USD in my wallet, I can put times 10. It means that I'm gonna borrow times 10 of the money that I have, you know what I mean? So that's what leverage is all about. So with leverage, is going to expose us to volatility. So with small moves on Bitcoin price, it's going to affect the amount that we have on our wallet. So if you put like 10x and Bitcoin moves like 1% to the upside, it means that we're going to make profit of 10%. So that's how it works, right? With leverage, it was only going to expose us to the volatility. So right here, you're going to have to put the quantity of BTC that you want to trade with. But before we go there, I just want to tell you the difference between limits and market. With limit order, is going to allow us to enter a position at a certain price. So let's say we are willing to enter a position if the price of Bitcoin goes to 55,700, you know what I mean? So we can put our price right here, 55,500, like this. Right, so meaning that if the price of Bitcoin falls down to 55,500, let me draw this 55,500 somewhere else here. All right, here 55,500, our order is going to be executed and we're going to enter a position depending on the kind of position that we want to have. There's long position and a short position. With long position, it means that we'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up, and with short position, it means that we'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going down. So with limit order, it's going to allow us to set our own price and enter a position. You know what I mean? But with the market order, it means that we're just going to enter a position immediately at a current price. So right now, consider Bitcoin is being traded at 57,700, and if I use a market order, it means that I'll enter a position immediately and I'm not gonna wait and stuff like that. But right now, let's say I want to use a limit order because we don't want to pay for transaction fees and stuff like that. You can just go ahead and leave it at limit order, and you want to enter a position at the price of 57,695 right here. I can just click any price right here because I want to make money when the price of Bitcoin is going down. So right, you have to put the quantity or how much money I'm willing to put in this position. So right here, you can see that I've got like 50 USD and I want to spend 100% of it. I can just click 100% like this, and you can see the value of this long position right here is gonna be 461 USD, and it's gonna cost me 46 USD to enter this position. So you can see my entry price right here. I'll enter a position at the price of 57,970. So let's change and let's say we want to enter the price of 57,689, and you want to spend 100% of it, and you want to make money when the price of Bitcoin is going down like this. You know what I mean? So it means that we're gonna have to be shorting. Okay, and if we want to make money when the price of Bitcoin is going up, it means that we're gonna have to go long. You know what I mean? So I'll click short and I can just click confirm, but you can see that my liquidation price is at the price of 63,182. So if the price of Bitcoin goes to 63,182, I'm gonna get liquidated and I'll lose the whole available balance that I have in my wallet. So this is the most important part that you have to pay attention to, and this is the order value because we're using leverage. So we multiplied this 50 USD by 10 and it's giving us this value right in USD, and it costed us 46 USD. So this is what it's all about. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click confirm, and you can see that we have got an order in the order book because it's waiting to be filled. So if the price of Bitcoin goes to 57,700, our order is gonna get it filled, and we're gonna have open position right here. So people may ask me like, how exactly do you know where the price of Bitcoin is gonna go in the future and stuff like that? So I'm going to show you my secret tool right now that I use to predict where the price of Bitcoin is going to go in this future. And that's why I also make passive income with leverage trading every day, just like this right here, making like 45% with leverage trading on Bybit. You know what I mean? So these are the tools that I use to make all these trades possible and make me passive income every day. So basically I use Heavy Crypto Indicator, and Heavy Crypto Indicator tells me when is good time to buy and when is good time to sell. As you can see, I get these signals buy, sell every time whenever the price of Bitcoin is moving and stuff like that. So right now, for example, if I get a buy signal right here, I go to Bybit and put a long position, meaning that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is going up. So if I get a signal like this, you can see that the price goes up. And for example, right here, I got a buy signal and the price of Bitcoin went up approximately 9% to the upside. And right here, I got a sell signal and the price of Bitcoin went down approximately 11% to the downside. So this buy and sell signals works in real time and stuff like that. And I've been taking advantage of these buying signals, buy and sell signals. And this tool is called Heavy Crypto Indicator. The link is going to be in the description below as well. And other than that, there's also Heavy Crypto Momentum based indicator, and it also tells me when it's good time to buy and when it's good time to sell. I get these red and green dots and stuff like that. There's a full video explaining about these tools. The link is also going to be in the description below as well if you want to learn more about these tools. But you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online and you can also find Heavy Crypto Indicator there. Once you get the tool, you're also going to get lessons for free and stuff like that, showing you how exactly you are going to use this Heavy Crypto Indicator and the tools to your full potential, so that you can also take advantage of this market. But basically what I do is I just follow these signals and stuff like that and enter a market. And other than that, you can see that we have got this line right here, and this line turns 10 colors depending on the market conditions. So whenever the market is going down, this line turns red, and you can see that the price goes below this line. And whenever we're in a bull market or whenever the market is going up, this line turns green, and you can see that the price goes above the line. So it's a really simple indicator. All you have to do is to apply it on your chart on TradingView and get the signal and see where the price is going and enter position, and you're gonna be in profit and make money every day with leverage trading. And other than that, you can also use the same tool on your spot trading. So basically all you have to do is to buy Bitcoin whenever you get buying signal and sell it later at higher price whenever you get a selling signal. So it works pretty much on all the conditions, whether you want to make money with spot trading or derivatives trading. So since right now I entered a short position, and right now it says that we are in a short position and it is a 10x position, you can check our position right here. So far we are making approximately like 1%. You can see right there, and this is how much you have made. You have made up at least approximately 60 cents in USD. So this is only like 10x leverage trade, and we have just entered it right now. You can see how much we're making and stuff like that, and this is how easy it is. I entered it because I have this selling signal. It means that the price might still go down and stuff like that, and that's why I took a short position. So this is how easy I make money with leverage trading. But other than that, we have got this option right here. I can also reverse it by clicking it. So it means that I'll be making money when the price of Bitcoin is now going up, because if I click this one, it's going to allow me to reverse this position and all that stuff. So right here you can see that it's written close by, and with this tab is going to allow me to close a position by pretty much providing me with two options, right? There's limit and market. If I use a limit, it means that I'm gonna have to provide a certain amount to close it, right? But if I use market, it means that I'll close this position immediately. So this is a liquidation price, and if the price of Bitcoin goes up to 63,183, it means that I'm gonna lose the whole available balance that I have on this position. So in this case, I'll lose 46 USD. Other than that, you can also put stop loss and take profit depending on the direction that your position is based at. So let's say I want to take profits at 50%. I can just scroll this up by 50%, I'm looking at right here, right? So let's say I want to take profit at 50%, or I can just simply type right here 50% like that. It means that my profit will be 23 USD, and I'll make it if the price of Bitcoin falls down to 54 USD. That's gonna give me 23 USD profits. I can also put a stop loss, so you can see where exactly I entered at. I entered at the price of 57,700. So I want to put stop loss at 57,800. You know what I mean? So meaning that if the price of Bitcoin goes up to 57,800, I'm gonna lose minus 1.7% of my available balance on this position, and this position is gonna get closed immediately. You know what I mean? So this is how exactly you put stop loss and you put take profit. So you can see pretty much where the price is and where I entered and stuff like that. And if you want to make money when the price of Bitcoin is going up, you can also do the same thing. All you have to do is to choose whether you want to use the limit order or market order, and then once you do that, you're gonna have to choose right here. You either want to make money when the price of Bitcoin is going up, which is buying or going long, or you can either choose whether you want to make money when the price of Bitcoin is going down, which is sell or short button right here. So you have got two options, and to know where exactly the market is gonna go in the future, you can use Heavy Crypto Indicator and tools, and the link is going to be in the description below as well as on heavycryptouniversity.online. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Just wanted to show you how exactly I make money with leverage trading on Bybit, and the link to Bybit is going to be in the description below as well. And if you enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to support me by liking and subscribe to the channel. It really helped me a lot to reach out a lot of people on YouTube and stuff like that. And the link to my Telegram is gonna be in the description below as well. You can DM me and ask me any question related to cryptocurrency. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, my friends. Cheers.